In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your game voice chat and mic's not working in Sea of Thieves on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press the touchpad on your controller, and we're going to scroll down and select Settings. Then you want to scroll down on the left sidebar, and we're going to select Audio Settings, and you want to ensure that the master volume's turned up. Then you want to scroll down, and where it says Audio Output Mode, if you're using TV speakers, you can leave it on speakers, but if you're using a headset and a microphone, leave it on headphones. Same thing goes for your crew chat output. Now, for crew chat volume, you want to ensure that this is turned up. This is how loud other players are going to be when they're talking. And for proximity chat volume, I recommend you leave this turned up as well. This is going to be how loud people are when you're close to them. And you have the option of leaving on directional proximity chat, meaning if you're looking in their direction where someone's talking, they're going to be louder. But if you look away, they're not going to be as loud. And you also have the option of non-directional. So if you scroll down, you can also turn on push to talk, meaning that you can select a specific button where if you hold it down, your mic will become open. But I like to leave it off so my mic's always on. Now, if you scroll down a little bit further, I recommend you turn on player chat indicator so you can easily see who's talking. Now, if you have a look in the top right corner, you should see a voice chat icon indicating you're talking, but if you don't see it, press the PlayStation button on your controller. Then you want to scroll over and select the sound icon, and for the sound output device, if you're using a headset with a mic, ensure it's on headset. If you're using your TV, make sure it's on TV. Now for volume, you want to ensure this is up, and if mute game voice chat is turned on, ensure this is turned off. Then you want to go back, and we're going to go to this mic icon, and you want to ensure this mute feature isn't turned on here. And if you have a mute toggle on your actual headset with your mic, ensure that's not turned on. Now, since my mic is using my headset and controller, that's great. And you also want to adjust your mic level and ensure it's in this green area here. Now, if you still don't see the voice chat icon in the top right corner, it could be a hardware issue, in which case I'd recommend swapping out your headset or controller to see if that's the problem.